Let's get one thing straight. Crypto isn't here to destroy banks, and banks aren't going anywhere anytime soon. This isn't a revolution where you have to pick a side. It's more like a quiet evolution, a shift in how we move money, store value, and access the financial tools we all use every day. Most people, they'll still swipe their debit cards for a coffee, still get their paycheck in dollars or euros, and still log into their bank app every morning to check their balance. Banks aren't broken, they actually work for billions of people every day. But even the best systems have a few cracks. There'll always be those moments, sometimes subtle, sometimes just outright frustrating, where the system we rely on just doesn't show up. Like when your wire transfer vanishes into the void for 3 days. Or you're hit with a $45 fee just to send money abroad. Or you need to move money on a Sunday night, only to find every gate firmly closed. These aren't dramatic failures, they're just friction. And over time, friction adds up. This is where crypto steps in, not with a sledgehammer but with a wrench to tighten the bolts. Not to overthrow but to upgrade. Crypto is fast, it's borderless, it never sleeps. It doesn't ask for permission or take the weekend off. But let's be honest, crypto isn't the answer to every problem. It's not magic, it's not perfect. But it is an answer to some of the old headaches. It can hold value when inflation is biting into your savings. It can give you access when the bank says no, and it can move money at the speed you send a text. So here's the thing, you don't need to take sides in some imaginary battle. This isn't banks versus crypto, it's banks and crypto. Each has strengths, each has flaws. What matters is knowing which tool to use and when. Because the future of finance, it's not going to be just one thing, it'll be a mix. Different tools, working side by side. Crypto won't replace the bank, but it will stand next to it, ready for those moments when you need it most. Join us and reach your next crypto level.